last night's concert was amazing. And I managed to get there early enough so I happened to be on the front row, and Hank Green was right there, and it was just so amazing, and it was all nerdy and beautiful, and I loved it. But it was also kind of loud. And the 4th of July was recently, which was also loud. I don't know about you, but I don't like loud noises. In fact, I know many people who would rather stay inside on the 4th of July because the fireworks are too loud for them. But it's not just the noise, it's the vibrations that come with the noise. That beat in the earth from when a firework goes off, or thunder rumbles, or the bass of a drum. It terrifies me. I spent the 4th of July hiding inside in the quietest spot in my house, watching Netflix, trying my hardest not to cry because it was too loud, and some people are like, oh my gosh, that's such a dumb fear, why don't you go and get it fixed or something? But I mean, come on, really, it's not that big of a deal. Yes, the 4th of July is terrible, and I'm not a big fan of concerts, but I mean, it's not like I'm gonna go run and hide every time someone plays a song out loud on their iPod. I just have to grin and bear it every time someone in a big truck pulls up next to me and is blasting their music so loud that everyone within a 5-mile radius can hear it. And yes, sometimes I do feel like murdering those people. But oh well, that's just my little thought for today. The end!